Heavenly scenes like this are going viral on YouTube. And the best part, you don't need a camera, you don't need to show your face, you don't even need to talk. In this video, I will show you how to create a faceless heavenly visuals step by step using free AI tools. Get ready to create inspiring, emotional, and viral Christian content without ever showing your face.
Step 1. Go to Chrome browser. This is a Chrome browser. So type ideogram AI. So when you type it, it will take you to this interface. Alright. So remember, you have to, if you haven't used it before, you have to sign up. So you see different images some people created. If you like something like that, you can as well access it and create yours. Okay, so this is what you do. You select the plus sign and press your prompt. Don't worry, if you need the prompt, I will drop it in my Telegram channel. Okay, I'll drop my Telegram. Access it. So this is the prompt, and it has different aspect ratio. If you want 1:1, 16:9, and thereabout. Okay, so one that you want. Okay, I'll choose 16:9 aspect ratio because that is what we are working with, and select this cancel. So this is it. If you want it to be private is locked. All right, so it has to be in public. So after this, then you generate. You select generate. It won't even take much of your time. Your images will be displayed. It will generate. It won't take much time. Then you check the one you want. So this is it. This is it. You download it. If you click on it, you download it. You choose the one you want. Just tap on it, you download. Tap on this, you download. Alright, this is how you download it. Alright, if you need more of the prompts, you can also type up to two more prompts. So all the prompts will be in my Telegram channel. So let's try more prompts. I'll highlight it and press it. So let's try this. Generate. Okay, I'll be dropping my prompt in my Telegram channel. That is where you access all the prompts that you desire. If you want to commence a faceless content that has to do with a heavenly view, okay, you can start with it. I know a lot of people have been wondering, how did they create this? How did they create that? So you have the chance to access all this things for free. Alright, so you just download the one you want. Download the one you want. Okay, let's try more prompts. So let's try this prompt as well. These are the heavenly views prompts which you can use to commence your channel. All right, your faceless channel. I'm still trying out some prompts. All right, this is this one. This is another one. These are the prompts which I'm generating. So this is it. I don't know if you've seen something like this. If you've seen something like this, most of these viral YouTube channels that displays different scenes, okay, I believe you've seen something like this, that they are really going viral. Different scenes of transparent airplane, okay, in the heavenly, displaying heavenly visuals. You could start up your content, your channel, your Faceless Christian channel, displaying all these things, and you will definitely go viral. So that is it. The next thing to do is to animate them. Alright, all you have to do is to go to Pieceverse. When you go to Pieceverse, you select the plus sign and select here. Then you choose the image that you want. Okay, just like this one is the heavenly. You press choose the image you want. You press the prompt here and select create. You can still do the same thing to most of them. Okay, select and paste. That is all you have to do. They give 60 coins for this. So when you click here, this is where you see your animated images. So the next thing to do is to select here and download. You select MP4, that's where you download, because Pieceverse, they've changed their the interface. They've changed it. It's your prompt here and send. That is all you have to do. Choose any of. Alright, for this transparent airplane, all you have to do is to select it as well and press in the prompt for it. Remember, I told you that if you need any of the prompts, you can in the description. So let's check out this animated one. Alright, so just download it. Just download it, then you select this one as well. So this is it. Isn't this beautiful? And a lot of people are using this for their Faceless channel and you don't know how to do it. Alright, so you can commence your Christian Faceless channel. Isn't this amazing? You can try any of your choice, yeah?
Seeing how easy it is to create viral heavenly content all without a camera, a mic, or even showing your face? Start creating, stay consistent, and let your channel speak light into the world. Remember, you don't need to be seen to make a difference. Let your light shine through your videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs this opportunity today. For watching, keep creating. See you in the next one. Bye.